Hey guys, it's Joseph here from Waterman Plumbing, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your 2020 Ford Transit 350 cabin filter. So I have about 6,000 miles on my Transit now, and the filter just absolutely stinks. And so unfortunately there was no videos online, and so I had to just kind of figure this out. And what you need to do is there's these two tabs here, but once you close it you can't really get to them, as you can see. And so what I needed to do was just kind of took a flat screwdriver and I carefully pried one side at a time until I got both of these little tabs kind of depressed in a little bit, and then this thing just kind of falls down. And now I'm gonna just open this up. This is where the filters, and let's see what we're dealing with here. It really stinks. Oh boy. And there it is. I don't know why it stinks so much when I turn on the AC, but it doesn't smell so bad here. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys.